Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video, I will discuss about preparation planning for NCHM CET JEE for 2022 and 23. Goal setting for NCHM CET JEE. What should be your goal? What you should target? Okay, and also I will discuss where you will get all the study materials for NCHM CET JEE examination. So guys, let's target India's top IHM, that is Institute of Hotel Management. So this is our preparation steps, that is called as Manwar preparation steps. So in this, first step is video lectures on dashboard. So very first आपको video lectures देखना है which is available on your dashboard, and after that you have to come for live lectures or classroom coaching, whichever it is there. Okay, and the step 3 is practice from the books. Okay, books will be given to you and you have to practice from the books. After that, topic test and mock test. Okay, that will be full length mock test. This is our step 4 of the preparation. Okay, so in this way we teach at Manwar. So if you want live classes, classroom coaching, books, mock test, mentorship, so you can call and WhatsApp on this number 8828581454, or you can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/hotel management entrance examination. Now guys, let us discuss about preparation planning for NCHM CET JEE. So in this, very first is study material. Right study material and guidance is very important for the preparation of NCHM CET JEE examination. Okay, now after this, timetable. Guys, timetable आपको ऐसे बनाना है, आपको आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम 11th स्टैंडर्ड का स्टडीज़ और अगर आप 12th में हैं, यू नीड टू बैलेंस दैट टाइम टेबल. लाइक NCHM CET JEE को आपको बैलेंस करना है एज वेल एज बोर्ड या 11th स्टैंडर्ड की जो भी स्टडीज़ है आपकी. ओके, एंड यू नीड टू मेक टाइम टेबल सेक्शनल वाइज. लाइक इन द एग्जामिनेशन क्वान्टिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड जो है उसको कितना आवर्स दोगे आप, इंग्लिश को कितना आवर्स दोगे, एंड जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स को आप कितने आवर्स दोगे. यू नीड टू मेक योर टाइम टेबल विद दैट. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट, लर्न एंड प्रैक्टिस. गाइज, आपको आपके नोट्स, आपके लेक्चर्स आपको स्टडी करना है, लर्न करना है, एंड देन आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, आफ्टर दिस you need to give mock test. So with the mock test you will come to know what are the stronger section of yours, what are the weaker section of yours. You will know about paper pattern, you will be learning time management, and apart from all of this you will be confident for your examination. Okay, last is revision. Revision is the key. आप बहुत सारा डेटा रीड करोगे एंड इफ़ यू डोंट रिवाइज देन आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें भूल सकते हो. सो आपको आपके टाइम टेबल में ऐसे टाइम डिसाइड करने पड़ेंगे डे बेसिस पे या हर 2 दिन पे, ऐसे आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि दैट पर्टिकुलर डे इज कम्प्लीटली गिवन टू रिविजन. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस, गोल सेटिंग. गाइस, जैसे अर्जुन को चिड़िया की आंख दिखती थी वैसे ही आपको टारगेट करना है top IHM. Like IHM Mumbai is there, Pusa is there, Bangalore is there, Chennai is there, Lucknow is there. So these all IHM you need to target, and if you are preparing for NCHM CET JEE examination, then you should think only about IHM. Okay, and one of the also important thing is motivation in this, because बहुत सारे टाइम ऐसे रहता है कि आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि बोर्ड का एग्जाम का भी प्रेशर है या 11th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्जाम का प्रेशर है. नो, यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग वेल फॉर योर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. सो यू हैव टू बी मोटिवेटेड. वी एट Manwar we provide mentorship, so you can talk to your mentors who will help you and who will guide you and who will motivate you throughout your preparation. So this will be your goal setting. Okay, now let me guide you guys where you will get study material, mock test, all those things. Okay, so guys, this is our website. Just click on buy online, click on hotel management entrance examination. So this kind of a page will open and you will see full course, books, study material, sectional course, mock test. So in this full course, just click on full course, show packages. So this kind of a page will open. So in this full course you will get a hotel management IHM NCHM CET JEE 2022 program, and we have hotel management 2022 turbo excel for all exam program. It include NCHM CET JEE, ECHAT, hotel management CET IHM Aurangabad, and other hotel management entrance examination. If you are going in 11th standard and if you want to give hotel management entrance examination in 2023, so we have a program for 2023 also. In this you will get video lectures, mock test, 26 mock test will be there, past year paper solution, handouts for NCHM CET JEE. We have also hotel management 2023 turbo excel for all exam. In this you will get NCHM CET JEE, ECHAT, IHM Aurangabad, and other hotel management entrance exam. Now after this, if you want to study from books, so we have books and study material. Just click on show packages. This kind of a page will open. We have hotel management books. 4 set of books will be there for NCHM, CET, JEE, ECHAT. If you want to study from ebooks, then we have ebook facility also for hotel management entrance examination, NCHM, CET, JEE, ECHAT. Maharashtra CET hotel management entrance examination is also there. Okay. Now after this, if you are thinking that you are weak in a particular section, then we have sectional course also. Just click on sectional course, show packages. We have sectional course for hotel management 2022, logical reasoning, hotel management quantitative aptitude, numerical ability, hotel management for English, general awareness, okay, critical reasoning. So guys, with all this study material, you can target top IHM. Now guys, that's it in this video. If you want to prepare for hotel management entrance for 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will definitely help you. If you want classroom coaching, we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manualradio.com/hotel management entrance examination. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination. You can subscribe to this channel also. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.